In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to create a TikTok video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I create daily content on all the social media platforms. So we're currently logged into the TikTok app, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the little plus button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and now we're going to click on the record button. So we're just going to pick this up and capture something. So we're just going to hold it down, and then you'll notice at the top, like, the bar will start to fill up. And I've just stopped clicking that. And I'm just going to transition to something else on the video. So I'm going to hold the record button down and zoom in and out of this bit. And I'm going to stop that. And then for the last bit, I'm just going to record some bits off the YouTube channel. Okay, so we've got our 15 seconds worth of content. Just going to place this back down. So you can see it previewing there on the screen. I'm just going to click next in the bottom right hand corner. If I wanted to keep it like that, I would click next, but we have a few different options available. So at the top, we can select some sound, so top right hand corner. You can do a search for your favorite artist, see if they're available. Let's see what we have here. I'm just going to click on TikTok viral, and then I'll just pick one at random. And I'm going to click the plus the arrow button. Okay, great. And then we can also, at the bottom, we can add some effects. So you can see we can hold down and apply different effects. So I'm going to hold down shake, flash, let's keep on scrolling, misted, we're going to do 70s, illusion, and then the last one, buzz. Okay, so we've got our effects sorted. I'm going to click save, top right hand corner. At the bottom also we have stickers. I'm going to click on stickers. We've got a selection of different stickers here. I'm going to click on this plus one. We're just going to hold the icon, drag it around, and just put it in the bottom right hand corner. We have filters as well at the bottom. You can click on that and you can change the filters. Because we've got effects, it's kind of a bit of a wasted one. So once you're ready, we're going to click the next button in the bottom right hand corner. Going to enter a description for the video. Let's see if I can type. And then we can add a hashtag by clicking the hashtag button. Let's do that again. If you have friends added to the app already, you can add them. I haven't got any. Oh. Okay, also we can see different hashtags there as well. You have the option to see who can view this, so you can select just followers, your friends, if you want to be private, if you're just testing out, that's probably a good decision. You can allow comments, you can allow the reactions/duets if you want, but the last thing to do is click on the post button in the top bottom right hand corner. And you can see it's just uploading currently. So we're going to wait for that. It's 8%. This was one I created earlier, just to give you a different example. So we're 20% of the way uploaded. It's going to be awesome, so you might as well stick around. So when it's been uploaded, it's going to appear in the bottom right hand corner. So if you click on the icon that looks like a person, it'll bring your profile up, and the video will appear just below. I'm just going to wait for this one to load so you can see what it looks like. There we go, so it's been uploaded and I'm just going to tap it. There you go, that's how you make a TikTok video. See you in the next one.